In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make a full circle skirt with very easy calculations. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you'd love to watch more. So the first thing you have to do is fold your pattern drafting paper. Give a first fold like you can see me do. Then you're going to give it a second fold. So if you're drafting on your fabric, you have to do the same thing that I'm doing as well. Then you're going to get your waist circumference measurement. So whatever your waist circumference measurement is, so after folding, this is what you have on the 4 openings. You're going to start marking on this enclosed part, not on the 4 openings. You're going to get your waist circumference divided by 6.28 to find your radius. So after calculating your radius using the waist circumference divided by 6.28, you're going to start marking the radius at the tip of the paper right here. And I repeat, not on the openings, not on these 4 openings, but on this enclosed part. So whatever radius you calculated, you're going to mark it over here, as you can see me do. Then you're going to connect the points. Then you're going to determine the full length of the skirt and mark the full length and start rotating the measuring tape. Then you're going to connect the points and cut out your circle skirt. Then after opening, this is what you have, a full circle skirt, just like the name entails. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.